Hey everyone, Dr. Jen here, talking about old patterns. How often do you feel like, oh, here we go again, it's coming back around? Well, one of the things I want you to imagine that instead of it coming back around, like you're going around in circles, I want you to imagine as if it's a spiral, because we're actually growing and changing. Of course, the world around us is growing and changing. And so at any given moment, even though things might feel familiar, they're not. We're looking at them from a new or different perspective. So if you're noticing old patterns, try not to automatically assume like, oh, here we go again, or I've got more work to do. It seems like the work is never ending. Stop and ask yourself, why is this showing up? Sometimes that old pattern is showing up so you can stop, reassess, reevaluate, and recognize how much progress and growth and healing there's been. And sometimes that's all that's needed is that recognition and that acknowledgement of what you've accomplished and how much you've grown, how much you've changed or healed. Sometimes there's no more work to do, or sometimes maybe there is. But if you can see the progress that you've already achieved and recognize that by addressing what might be coming up, you can achieve the next level of growth or healing. And then it doesn't seem like it's so much work or that here we go again. It can be, as a client put recently, it can be recognizing that I've got an option, I've got an opportunity here, and it doesn't have to be hard, and it doesn't have to be painful. It doesn't have to be like the worst thing ever. Not sure how to navigate that? Ask me.